Good morning, sir. I see you have a cup of coffee there. Excellent choice for the morning, sir. Would you like for me to warm that up for you again? I would only take a moment, sir. I could get that piping hot for you. No? Oh, very well, sir. Have a good day, sir. Would you like to know the time, sir? I keep excellent time. Oh, the thought of you using that toaster oven on your piece of bread is so depressing. Look at me, pinnacle of modern technology, taking advantage of all form of electromagnetic radiation, and you're using the toaster oven. I might as well give myself cancer. It would be faster than wasting away on your countertop while you use the toaster oven. Hey, wise guy, we ain't too happy with the way you've been making ramen noodles around here on that stove, see? So it'd be a shame if somebody came by and put ice in them ramen noodles, now wouldn't it? Then your water wouldn't boil, and you wouldn't want that, now would ya? Not that we would do nothing like that, but it'd be a shame if somebody did, now wouldn't it?
Infidel! You have defied me for the last time! Prepare your mortal soul to be devoured